Sup, we're back in every guys. I'm real fan landing here. CSX M327, 136 freight cars. You're the right 136 freight cars. Next train will be coming from the east, not the west. This is a westbound train, according to CSX terms. And let's talk about 326 here in a couple hours. This is 327, 136 freight cars. There is right now. There he is. Guys, oh man. Sioux line, North Dakota Mill. South Shore Freight. LRF, GTS, Boxer, and BKTY, and Pacific car right there. Hamilton Western cars. Car right there. Nowadays, for some days are even from Lowell or Hamilton, Northwestern right there. Most of these are from Lowell. Looks like dispatch. This bunch of cars, I guess. Whoa, machine. CSX ETW 4 cars. Pacific Boxer right there. Loaded potash cars, 3 of them right there. Farmland, these are from Drill. You're not Drill 1, but technically Drill 1, and then these from Hamilton Western, these all own. Hamilton Northwestern cars right there. There's that right there. There we go. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Rail Fan Landon out.